This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a hardware crypto wallet, only way. Choose a reputable device, unbox it, and never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Set a strong PIN, verify the device screen before confirming transactions, and practice using small amounts first. Always update firmware from the official site and keep your recovery phrase offline in a secure location to ensure long-term safety. Start by powering the device and following on screen prompts to create a new wallet and PIN. Record the recovery phrase exactly as shown and double-check each word. Do not photograph or store it digitally. Connect the device only to trusted computers, confirm addresses on the device screen, and always send a small amount first to confirm the workflow and get comfortable with confirmation steps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly for long days of learning crypto and avoiding spills during unboxing or setup. Honestly, having tidy snacks keeps focus while you confirm addresses and update firmware. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When making transactions, prepare the transfer in your wallet app, then confirm the transaction details on the device screen. Never trust clipboard-pasted addresses without checking the last few characters on the device. Use recipient verification features when available, and keep a habit of reviewing fees and amounts before pressing confirm. Regularly check firmware updates and revoke approvals you no longer need to reduce attack surface over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.